Hello, my name is Vladimir. You know me well from previous episodes such as how to kill a kangaroo and how to start a broken car. This is an AR-223. It is an assault rifle. Now the first step, we bang the thing in there. Next we take a look, safety on, thank God for that. And we put it to the fire position. It's like the mother country, everything must be in the fire position, otherwise people don't die. We put it up against the shoulder, we lock it in, and we go! You see?